Hey guys, I'm here filming a video for the CXRacing Turbo kit. As you can see, I've already started a bit of the install. Sorry for the mess. I've been unboxing and doing a bit of work over the past few days, but here is everything that comes with the kit and a few extra parts that you may want to install if you wish to have a nice, reliable eBay turbo kit. But reliable and eBay don't really go in the same sentence, so you could take that for what it's worth. Anyways, if you guys want to see more videos, I'll be posting them soon depending on the feedback or anything. Just a few quick notes about my car. It's a E46 coupe 2002 with the motor from a 325i. It has an angle kit and coilovers. So that's pretty much it right now, but yeah, turbo kit install should be coming within the next few days.